Now, we will perform a SQL injection attack which targets vulnerabilities in the way SQL queries are constructed on the server. So, in the Altera Mutual login page, pupunta tayo doon. Then, mag-enter tayo. Then, password natin is 1. Then, login. Sasubmit na natin yung login form. Then, punta tayong verb suite. So, dito, makikita natin yung nilagin natin kanina. And, nag-iba siya. Then, we need to click the forward to send modified request. Then, punta ulit tayo sa browser. Then, palitan natin to. Try natin kung palitan. Then, login. So, here, makikita na natin na na-access natin yung system or website using SQL injection. So, this payload tricks the SQL query into always evaluating to true. Instead of verifying correct credentials, the server interprets it as if true, then login. This demonstrates how SQL injection can bypass authentication and, in more severe cases, allow attackers to extract, delete, or manipulate database contents. So, to prevent this, developers should always use parameterized queries or prepared statements.